Okay, so quickly I will go through the how to use Codology for Exams app. Go to Play Store. I have already opened the Codology for Exam. This will come as open, and it will be opened in a Codology for Exam. This is the home page. Usually what is the problem is that you don't know where to go and all. The first thing what you should be doing is to go to chat section. In the chat section, this is my chat section, but your chat section will come like this. You open it and it will come like whatever the basic is there. Welcome to Codology for Exams community. It will come whatever the chat, whatever the thing you want to ask, you will can ask in this chat section. But usually I will be uploading a statement telling that welcome to Codology for Exams. There are 8 specialties. It's very important: medicine, cardiology, pulmonary medicine, rheumatology, gastro, endo, neuro, and nephro. Other than onco and hemat, we have all the specialty sections. And for desktop version or laptop, opening in the laptop, you have to use web.classplusapp.com and CFE as our code. Or you can also download on iPad and iOS as Class Plus app. You have to download and add a CFE as our code. Until you come to chat section, you will never know what is going on, how to use the app and all. You have to come to chat section, and whenever possible, whatever is the thing, you can ask me just by writing down what you want. And usually what happens, as soon as you download the app, I will go to your chat section and I will open your this one, and I will add to you all to all the batches available. That is all the 8 batches I usually add. If I don't add, you please come to the chat section and ask me what all these specialties you want to get added to, and then come back and then you go to the batches. This is very important because every weekend there are in all the batches, because I would have added you to batches. When you come to batches, you will see that there are 8 batches, and in every weekend, that is every Saturday and Sunday, one batch, in every batches there will be a test going on of 40 questions, of which 20 will be from the reference book and 20 will be from the pediatrics. Like I will show you in maybe in gastroenterology. If you go inside, this is another important thing, that if you go inside, it will come like this. You should not hurry the thing, and you don't get any point. You have to go up and slide here and you will get the test. Go to test section, see that already there is a May 15 and 16, that is yesterday and today, there is already a test going on. You click on that, you usually get to see the questions directly. I am coming out like for me your score and all are coming. If you go to one of the usually you can write the test there, and after after Saturday and Sunday, on Monday morning you will be getting a scorecard like this. I will go to another already attempted this one. The 14 gastro was the previous one, and it will be coming like this tomorrow. That is on Monday, you will be getting a view board. If you click on view leaderboard, you will get the first, second, third rank, what is the percentage and all. This is very important because you all don't know these things. This will give you all India ranking, because only you can attempt only single time. And usually you can see from now on, I am already typing what are the chapters you will be going to get. Like May 29 and 30, you will be going to write on liver physiology and energy metabolism and liver chemistry and function from the reference book of gastroenterology, that is Schlesinger. Similarly, in all specialties you will be having similar things. And cardiology, I know everyone knows the cardiology, how it works. But even if in rheumatology, you can go slide there and you can go to the test section. See, the Kelly's-Jogan syndrome is on 29 and 30. Similarly, on 15th you are writing, and you will be getting a rank tomorrow. The very important thing is that, see, already there are 15 tests already have been uploaded. The very important thing is that these are all for free. Whatever the test you are going to attempt, you are going to get a all India ranking, you are going to assess yourself, and these are all for free. Very important, because I don't want you to indulge in a problem that if for the downloading of app you want to subscribe. What is subscribe is just you have to put your mail ID and you have to enter the whatever the OTP comes to you. Otherwise it doesn't ask for any money or any purchase icon. Oh, and for batches also, you don't as soon as I add you to all the batches, you can attempt any number of any of the course batches, any of the batches you can attempt tests. Only thing is that you can attempt only once, because you will be getting a all India ranking. What you have to do for previous tests is very important. For that thing, you have to go to store. There are in stores also there are plenty of